Hello guys, welcome to my channel Create Knowledge. In this video, I will tell you how to download and install latest version of Eclipse Ide, that is 2023-06 in your system. Now first you have to open Google Chrome browser and you have to write here download Eclipse, and this is the official website of Eclipse. Click here and you see that is get Eclipse Ide 2023-06 and download for 64-bit. You have to click here for download. Then Eclipse, so just I am going to click here. Now see, it has been started to download. It is downloading in my download folder. Let it to download. Now download is completed. Here Eclipse Ide is very good IDE. Here you can donate something as per your choice. You can donate something. Now I am going to close this window and going to my download folder. Close it and going to my download folder. This is my download folder, and you see Eclipse JRE Win 64, and just click here, double click here. Now install is started. Now I am minimizing this window. Now it is installing. Now here you see one option is Eclipse Ide for Java developer, Eclipse Ide for enterprise Java and web developer, Eclipse Ide for C, C++, and Eclipse Ide for PHP developer. So now here I am going for Eclipse Ide for enterprise Java and web developer. If I go through this, then I can do the web development project as well as Java project. Both you can do it. If you click first one, then you cannot go to web development option. So I will go for multiple choice Java and as well as web developer. So I am going for second one, this one. Click here. Now you see here my Java JDK is 20 and Eclipse version is 2023-06. Now you click here, install. Now I have to accept the license agreement. You can read this agreement and accept it. Now it is installing. It will take couple of minutes. Now download is completed. Now I am going to click launch. Click here. Now it is, now you say this is the shortcut key of Eclipse Ide. Now I am going to open my Eclipse Ide. Now here it is asking for workspace. You can change the workspace location also, and otherwise you can keep it in as default. So now I am going to keep it in default and don't ask again, and then launch. So this is the welcome page. This is the welcome page of Eclipse Ide. Now I am going to close it. I am going to close it. Now here I am going to create a file project, new. I am making it Java project. Click file, new. You can create Maven project, you can create enterprise application project, you can create dynamic web project. Now I am going to create a Java project. So click here other, and here Java project, click here, select it, and then next, and you give the name of your project. Now I am giving the project name demo, and then you see Java GRE version AC20 JDK 20, and then finish. Then you click finish. Now you see it is asking open perspective. I will say no. This is my demo project. Click here. In SRC, you create a class. You right click on SRC, new, create a class, because we have to create a class for Java project. Click here, and here you can give the package name. Now I am giving the package name com.gopal. You can put any package name, otherwise you can blank it, but I am giving the package name com.gopal, and my class name is, I am giving demo, and here you see public none, and I have required the main method, public static void main string args. This is the main method. I will click here and then finish. Now you see demo Java class is created. Here I am going to write, I am just going to write something and take output. Write system.out.print, system.out.print ln. Here I am going to write welcome to my channel, and semicolon here, and then save your file, save and run it. Run Java application. In the console you get the output, welcome to my channel. So now I think you have to understand how to install, how to download and install Eclipse Ide 2023-06 in your system, and how make a Java project by using main method. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Thanks.